What's going on, guys? Welcome to YPCRYPTO, here with you again. I'm Ant.
Yo, I'm Chris.
And today, guys, we're going to talk about them gains.
Yes, man, them gains.
Capital gains.
What? Nah, man, we're not talking capital gains out here. I'm playing.
Yeah, so we're going to cover, we're going to cover everything to do with tax and how much tax you need to pay on your crypto. And before we do that, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. And so, Chris, first question, what's the deal?
Yeah.
How much tax do we need to pay on our crypto?
So, cryptos fall under the, especially in UK, fall under the asset class. So as a stock or a share or anything like that, so anything you invest generally, and you'll pay roughly about 20% tax on that. You can pay 10% tax, but you'll have to move your crypto profits probably into a pension fund, and then you only pay 10% on that. But overall, guys, when you're taking your money from, we are taking profits out from your crypto gains, you're looking at giving the HMRC 20%.
Oh, cool. So, do we have any type of allowance?
The capital gains allowance you get in the UK, they just announced it the other day, about a week ago, I think it was. We get £12,300, and that's fixed for 5 years. It's good and bad because what they usually do with capital gains is that they usually increase the price, so they increase the allowance higher with inflation, but they fixed it to 12,300 for the next 5 years. So when the prices will go up, we can only get 12,300, but for the next 5 years, £12,300. But for the guys who are married, if you put a ring on it, you can give your partner, you can send your partner your gains, and they can get £12,300 as well. So essentially, as a couple, you can get £24,600 free capital gains tax per year.
Cool then. So if I need 20 grand at the end of this, I'll withdraw 12 and I'll just send my missus 8 grand.
You can. And the thing is, guys, when you pay capital gains, just another thing, you pay it on your gains. So if you invest 10 grand, right, but you've made 30, that 10 grand you don't pay anything on. It's only on the £20,000 that you've made gains on is where you pay your capital gains tax. So if you didn't know that, it's not on what you initially invested. That's just your money. It's the gains on your money.
Okay, cool. Yeah. No, thanks for that, Chris. Is there anything else? Oh, that's it. No, one more question, bro.
Yeah.
Do you have any type of advice, like general advice for people who have been investing over the last 12 months and they're new to the space, they've never paid tax on any crypto?
Yeah, I mean, look, you'll have to obviously set up an account with HMRC and you declare it as like capital gains tax and stuff like that. You just you go online and set it up. But if you're in this space, one thing I'd say is if you're taking over 12.5 grand, £12,300 out, just to be safe, just put 20% to the side. Just have 20% to the side for HMRC, because they might become, you might need to pay on that. So at least you have that money on the side. Don't spend it. 20%. So wherever you have now in your portfolio, just wipe out 20%, and that's going to the HMRC. Another piece of advice, we'll put a link down below. There's a desktop app called Coinly. Really good app. I've just looked at it the other day, and basically what you do is you have every app that you're on, or every exchange you're on, you have an API, which basically is like a little code. And with Coinly, you sign up to Coinly and you get this code. So whether it be from Binance or crypto.com, you go to your settings and you get the API code. You put it in the Coinly search engine, and it actually downloads all your transactions that you've done for crypto, all the withdrawals, deposits, sales, buys, and it'll give you like a figure of your profits and your gains. And if you are someone that can do it on their own on an Excel spreadsheet, you can take that figure and put it down and then knock out your profits along the line or your losses, and then you can do the adding up yourself. If you're like me and I do like 1,000 transactions and I'm buying, selling, and then there's so much things that I need to go through, Coinly, they offer like a paid service where you can they download the whole tax plan. So every transaction you've ever done, you'll be on a piece of paper, just in case HMRC do call you up and say, hey, we want to audit you, we need to see all the transactions. So there's a company, Coinly, I believe it's free to do the whole looking at just the basics, how much you've paid as a total. But if you want all the transactions and all everything in paper, then you have to buy the plan. But that's the two advice. Just if you make some gains, guys, put 20% aside, or if you want an app like Coinly, we'll put a link down below. You can jump on the app and it will do it basically for you. But guys, we've got to pay 20%. It is what it is, man. We are making gains, and the government will take our money. They will take everything else, but they're going to take our gains as well. But don't let that put you off from investing. Investing should not just be just in the short term. It's a long term thing. We're all hardworking people, and we don't want to be, we can't let this 20% put us off. Keep investing, keep growing your wealth, because if you grow your wealth to the point where you don't need to work as much anymore, 20% won't mean anything. You know what I mean, guys? So yeah, that's just how it is. That's the proof of the pudding. We have to pay taxes, but trust me, in the long term, just keep investing and it won't matter.
Okay, cool. First, Chris, before we wrap up, I've got a question actually.
Well,
1,000 transactions. Is that in a day or is it an hour?
No. Hopefully that's over the course of a year, hopefully. But yeah, man, crypto is that space, man.
I'm not buying it, Chris. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, so thanks guys for watching. If you want to keep up to date with us, make sure you subscribe with us, scroll down, smash that like button. And remember guys, this isn't financial advice, so to say, just to help you guys out, just to give you an idea. But yeah, so make sure you guys invest, buy the dip, and we're out.
We're out, man. Peace.